Hi everyone, today I will show how to use Windows Movie Maker step by step from beginning to finish. The important and necessary things that I will be covering are import clips or musics on the timeline, cutting or splitting, adding some transitions, caption or titles, and also apply some cool effects on our videos. Okay, we will learn lots of things in a short amount of time. So let's get started. First thing we want to do is open Windows Movie Maker, and you will see something like this. This is a dashboard or workspace, and these are all the editor options that we will apply them on our videos. To import your video, you can click on your dashboard or here on this button. Now you can select video or photos from any directory you want. If you hold down Ctrl K on your keyboard, you can select multiple clips. Let's select this video and also a photo from here. To play your clip on timeline, you can press space on your keyboard or click here. If we cut our video, firstly select the place where we want to cut it. Then right click on your mouse and split it from here. You can also split your video from edit tools. If you want to delete the cutted portion, again right click on your mouse and remove it. If you want to add music, just double click on add music, then choose from your library and import it. The next thing that I am going to show you is how to add some transitions. Click on animation. These are all the transitions that you can select. If you want more, click on here and just go down to see all of them. I am gonna select one of them for my video. You can select your own favorite. Let's play our video to check the added transitions. You can apply transitions to each of its portions separately, or you can select them all from Home Tools, then select all. Now if you choose transitions, it will apply to all of the portions from beginning to end. The next thing that I am going to show you is adding the caption or title. From Home Tools you can access to both title and caption button. Let's add some caption. Click it. Now you can move it to any place you want. Let's put it here and write a movie maker. From here you can change the format. On the right corner, add outline, change the color, and also you add some effects from here. To add title, click on it. As you can see, we have got this black background with the option of writing text. Let's write ASA Pro. You can change the format, add some outline, also from here add some effect. To save your video, go to Home tab and click on Save Movie. Now you can save it, then click OK. Let's play our video and check it. That is all for this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow and helpful. Thanks for watching.